Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, GM Official. Today we are playing crafting and building. Let's start our video. We are gonna go at MM. This is mine and Mirha's world. I created it, but Mirha is not live. I checked before, so I'm playing it alone. Don't worry guys, we will play soon with Mirha. Okay. We have done, if you have watched the video, we have done this, and over there we are in creative. Okay, we are making house in creative. Mirha says that she wants to be in creative, so we are in creative. Let's do it. Okay, what's this? Oh, there is a turtle. I want to help him. Let's help him. And then we are gonna start our video. Yeah. If you're hearing some background sound, I'm sorry. Because I'm outside. Turtle. How are you floating? Okay, let's help him. So we are gonna search water bucket. Water. Okay. We have this and then this. We are gonna help him. I see turtle. I don't know this is the right way to helping the turtle because tomorrow I'm playing games and I see a turtle in the sea. So I'm doing it. Oh! Yes, over there is also a turtle. We have a big family of turtles. Yay! Okay, there's a bird. He wants to drown in it. Okay, never mind. Let's start. Okay. But the birds ate. I don't know. Okay, let's see over here. Some seeds. Even I found it. Yeah, it's coming. What a feed. Oh, we are gonna tame them. Okay, now feed mine. The other one. Where is the other one? Where are you guys? Can you please come? I'm over here. Still I'm over here. Can you please just come? Okay. Sorry. What kind of noise this is? I want to tame and he's going. I don't know why. wants to go somewhere. Tame. There is no option of tame. But I think we are gonna point him. Getting. Guys, tell me in the comments what kind of voice I'm hearing. I don't know what kind of voice this is. Is this turtle sound or something else? Okay, I'm listen to it. Yeah, so we are making a home. First, we have to start mining. Sorry guys. Let's start. If you have any questions about anything, then tell us in the comments. And please subscribe to our channel, GM Official, and also JK Official. JK Official is my friend, so please subscribe to our channel. If you have done subscribing, then it's so much good. If you don't have, then go and just click the subscribe button. That's all. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Don't be angry at me, I'm not that pro. JK Official, if you watch this video, please don't be angry at me. It's my first time recording a video alone. Okay, yeah, we are gonna complete this and we are gonna do it all the things in the next video. That's all I have ideas. I see some people write script and else. I have never written script because I don't like this script thing. Okay, going on the point, we have to make house jam. Game is mining, okay? JK revealed my name in the last video. Accidentally. He revealed my name accidentally. Wow. Okay, we are gonna use this one, dark fan. Let's start digging. Never mind. I'm breaking blocks with a grass block. Wow. I don't want to break this one. Let's start it. This is my secret base, by the way. In one video, I'm gonna do Minecraft 3 days in survival. When we complete this house, okay? Minecraft 3 days. Yeah, we are gonna use this. We are gonna make this stuff. We are gonna make a simple house. This is a storage room, not a house. So that's okay if we make this